multiplication of polynomials.
X squared plus xy minus 2y squared by 2x minus 1. 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times positive xy is equals to 2 positive 2x squared y. 2x times negative 2y squared is equals to negative 4x y cubed. Y times x squared is equals to negative x squared y, and y, negative y times positive xy is equals to positive xy cubed. Negative y times 2y squared is equals to positive 2y cubed. And we will add 2x cubed. We will bring down 2x cubed. 2x squared y